In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printful to eBay. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, before we begin the process of connecting Printful to eBay, make sure you have your Printful account ready and that you're signed in. So go ahead and open Printful in your web browser. If you're not signed in yet, take a moment to enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're in your dashboard, look at the main menu on the left side of the screen. You'll want to find the option that says Stores. Click on that. This is where you'll manage all of the online platforms your Printful is connected to. After clicking on Stores, you're going to see an option that says Add Store. Go ahead and click on that button, and this will open up a list of various store platforms that Printful can connect to. Among these options, you will find eBay listed. Look for it and click on eBay. Now, when you click on eBay, the next step is to connect your account. You'll see a button that says Connect. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, Printful will prompt you to sign in to your eBay account. If you're not already logged into eBay in a different tab or window, enter your eBay credentials, your email address and password to proceed. Once you've entered your eBay login info and press Enter, eBay will ask you to review the permissions that Printful is requesting. This could include things like allowing Printful to manage your listings, view your orders, and more. It's really important to read through these permissions carefully. If you're comfortable with the permissions being requested, go ahead and approve the connection. This step is crucial because it establishes trust between your eBay account and Printful. Once you approve the permissions, you will be redirected back to Printful. Take a moment to look around, because this is where the magic starts to happen. Your eBay store should now appear under the Stores section in Printful. This means your two accounts, Printful and eBay, are now connected, allowing you to sync your products smoothly. And there you have it. Your Printful and eBay accounts are now seamlessly connected. Now, everything you create or add in Printful can now be managed and sold through your eBay store without any hassle. It really simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on your creative designs and growing your business. If you're excited to start selling, here's a little pro tip. After connecting, consider exploring more features within Printful that can help you manage your sales, such as automatic order fulfillment and customizing your product offerings. Take time to dive deep into your Printful dashboard because it's packed with tools that can enhance your eBay store's performance. Before we wrap up, here's a final reminder. Don't forget to check back on your eBay store periodically. Make sure everything is syncing correctly and that your listings are properly displaying your Printful products. And if you face any challenges along the way, feel free to check out the Printful and eBay help sections. They have a wealth of information to guide you through anything unexpected. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. I hope this connection opens new doors for your business. Happy selling!